Have you ever wondered about the iridescent bird that often gathers in large flocks, painting mesmerizing patterns in the sky? Today we delve into the world of the European starling. This bird, with its scientific name Sturnus vulgaris, is a medium-sized songbird that originally hails from Europe, Asia, and North Africa. These starlings are not just any ordinary birds, they are masters of adaptation and versatility. In the late 19th century, European starlings made their first appearance in North America. Since then, they've spread their wings far and wide, becoming one of the most widespread and abundant bird species across the continent. Their ability to live and thrive in a variety of habitats, from city parks to farmland and even coastal areas, is a testament to their adaptive prowess. These birds are not just about quantity, though. They're known for their gregarious behavior, often seen gathering in large, sociable flocks, especially during the winter months. Their magnificent flight formations, often resembling a dark swirling cloud, is a sight to behold. But there's more to these birds than meets the eye. European starlings are also skilled mimics with an ability to imitate a variety of sounds, from the songs and calls of other bird species to environmental noises. This talent for mimicry, along with their melodic songs, makes them a fascinating subject of avian study. European starlings are not just survivors, they are thrivers. They've not only established themselves in a new continent, but they've also become one of its most abundant bird species. Their story is one of resilience, adaptability, and survival, a testament to the power of nature's creatures to overcome challenges and thrive in new environments. These adaptable birds have become one of the most widespread and abundant bird species in North America. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptability and the innate ability of nature's creatures to find a way to survive and thrive, no matter where they find themselves. It's a story that continues to unfold as we learn more about these remarkable birds. Not only are European starlings known for their gregarious behavior, but they also have a knack for mimicking sounds. European starlings are incredibly social creatures. They are often seen congregating in large flocks, particularly during the winter months. These birds are not just gathering for the sake of company, but also for survival. By sticking together, they can share warmth and keep an eye out for predators. Their flocks create a spectacle in the sky known as murmurations, where thousands of birds move and swoop in unison, creating mesmerizing patterns and waves. But the social nature of these starlings doesn't stop at their flocking behavior. Their vocal communication is a crucial part of their sociability. European starlings have a wide and varied repertoire of sounds. They can produce an array of whistles, warbles, and clicks, which can often be heard in their busy, chattering congregations. What's even more fascinating is their ability to mimic sounds. European starlings are skilled imitators, capable of copying the songs and calls of other bird species, and even non-bird noises. They have been known to mimic car alarms, telephone rings, and other man-made sounds. This ability to mimic is not just a party trick. It plays a crucial role in their social interactions, with males often using their broad repertoire to impress potential mates. These vocalizations also serve another purpose. They help European starlings mark their territory. By singing a wide range of sounds, they can signal to other starlings that they're occupying a certain area. This is particularly important during the breeding season when males are vying for the best nesting sites. So next time you see a flock of starlings swirling in the sky, take a moment to listen. You might be surprised by what you hear. Their complex social behavior and impressive vocal abilities make them one of the most fascinating songbirds to observe. Remember, the world of nature is full of surprises. And sometimes, the biggest surprises come from the most common creatures around us, like the European starling. During the breeding season, European starlings display a remarkable level of cooperation and resourcefulness. These birds are monogamous, often forming mated pairs that last for several breeding seasons. The breeding period commences in the spring, when temperatures begin to rise and food becomes more abundant. The process of nest construction is a fascinating display of the starling's ingenuity. Using a selection of twigs, grass, feathers, and other materials, they construct cup-shaped nests. The preferred nesting sites are cavities in trees or buildings, but they're versatile enough to use other locations, such as nest boxes or even crevices in rocks. Once the nest is ready, The female lays a clutch of 4 to 6 pale blue eggs. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating these eggs, which takes around 12 days. The chicks, when they hatch, are altricial, meaning they are helpless and dependent on their parents for survival. They have no feathers and their eyes are closed. The parents work tirelessly, taking turns to forage for food and feed their young. Their diet at this stage primarily consists of insects, providing the chicks with the necessary protein for growth. Over the course of 3 weeks, the chicks transform from helpless infants to fully feathered juveniles ready to venture out of the nest. Interestingly, even after fledging, the young starlings continue to depend on their parents for food and protection for several weeks. They learn essential survival skills, including foraging and flying, under the watchful eyes of their parents. Despite the high predation rates and other challenges they face, European starlings have a high survival rate, thanks to their resourcefulness and adaptability. They have 2 or 3 broods each year, ensuring the continuation of their species. Both parents diligently care for their young, showcasing the intricate family dynamics within a starling brood. Their shared commitment to raising their offspring is a testament to the complexity of these birds' social structures and a reminder of the intricate web of life that exists within our natural world. While sometimes considered pests, European starlings play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. This dynamic bird has a diet as diverse as its range. It feeds on a wide variety of items from insects and earthworms to fruits and seeds. One can often spot them probing the ground with their sharp beaks, foraging for insects hidden beneath the soil. Their diet changes with the seasons. During the warm months, they mainly consume insects, spiders, and other invertebrates, providing a natural form of pest control. As the weather turns colder, they switch to a diet of fruits and seeds, often forming large flocks to feed in agricultural fields and orchards. While this feeding behavior can lead to conflict with farmers, it's important to remember that European starlings are just trying to survive, much like any other creature. They are opportunistic feeders, adapting their diet to the available food sources. This adaptability is one of the reasons for their success across diverse habitats. But it's not all about survival. Their feeding habits also serve a larger purpose in the ecosystem. By consuming insects and other invertebrates, they help keep these populations in check, preventing outbreaks that could have devastating effects on plant life. They're essentially nature's pest control, working tirelessly to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Moreover, their foraging behavior contributes to soil aeration, enhancing its fertility. As they probe the ground for food, they loosen the soil, allowing air, water, and nutrients to penetrate deeper. This can ultimately benefit plant growth and contribute to a healthier ecosystem. And let's not forget their role as seed dispersers. By consuming fruits and seeds and later excreting them in different locations, they aid in the distribution of many plant species. This can lead to increased plant diversity and the spread of certain species to new areas. Despite their reputation, their contribution to maintaining the ecological balance cannot be overlooked. European starlings, with their diverse diet and adaptable feeding habits, are more than just common birds. They are key players in the grand scheme of nature, helping to shape the world around us in ways we often fail to appreciate. The survival of these resilient birds depends on our collective conservation efforts. The European starlings, while considered pests in some regions due to their dietary habits, play a vital role in our ecosystem. Their survival is closely intertwined with the health of our environment, and it's our responsibility to ensure their continued existence. Conservation efforts for European starlings are multifaceted, addressing various aspects of their life cycle and habitat requirements. One such measure is the preservation of nesting sites. These birds are known to nest in tree cavities, nest boxes, and even in man-made structures. By protecting these sites and creating more nesting opportunities, we can provide these birds with safe, suitable places to raise their broods. Habitat diversity is another key area of focus. European starlings are versatile birds capable of thriving in a range of environments. They can be found in urban areas, farmlands, forests, and even near bodies of water. By promoting habitat diversity, we can ensure these birds have access to various food sources and nesting materials, thereby increasing their chances of survival. These efforts are not solely for the benefit of European starlings. They also contribute to the overall health of our ecosystem. Remember, every creature plays a unique role in maintaining the balance of nature. By protecting one species, we help protect the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Efforts to conserve European starlings are ongoing and require the support of everyone. From scientists and conservationists who study these birds and develop conservation strategies, to everyday individuals who can make a difference by creating bird-friendly environments in their backyards. The European starling is a symbol of resilience and adaptability. Its presence in our lives serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of nature and our responsibility to protect it. Every effort to protect and conserve their habitats goes a long way in ensuring the survival of these adaptable and resilient birds.